Now I am explaining about logic gates and their truth tables. Here we seen in this logic gates have three types: basic gates and universal gates and special gates. Here basic gates have three types: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and universal gates have two types: NAND gate, NOR gate, and special gates have two types: EXOR gate, EXNOR gate. Now here seen in this AND gate, let's see in this AND gate symbol like this. Here AND gate is taken two or more inputs and it produces only one output, like this symbol. Here it is taking inputs A and B. Here we taking inputs 2 A and B and it produces only one output, like this, y equal to A into B. Like output is like equal to product of all inputs. Product of all inputs. Let's see in this truth table of AND gate. Here inputs is A and B. Output like y equal to A into B. So here we taking input is 0 0 and final output is 0. Here we multiply the input values. 0 into 0 equal to 0. Here we taking the input 0 1, means 0 into 1, output comes 0. Input 1 into 0 and final output is 0. Here we taking inputs 1 1, 1 into 1 equal to 1. So this is the AND gate. Next one is OR gate. OR gate is taking two inputs and it produces also only one output. Here seen in this logic symbol of OR gate like this. Here we taking inputs A and B and it produces the output y equal to A plus B. Here we adding the inputs. Here the output is like equal to sum of all inputs. Now seen in this truth table of OR gate like this. Here we taking the inputs A and B and output is y equal to A plus B. Means here we taking the inputs 0 0, 0 plus 0, output comes 0, and 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1. Here we taking 1 output. So this is the OR gate. And next we seen in this NOT gate. NOT gate, here NOT gate is taking only one input and it produces only one output. Here it takes one input A and it produces the output y equal to A bar. Okay, now seen in this the truth table of NOT gate. Here the input is A and output is y equal to A bar. So here we taking 0, means here taking the 0 and output comes 1, means here we taking 0 input and it comes output is a 1. Here we taking the input is a 1 and output comes 0. So this is the NOT gate. And next one is a NOR gate. NOR gate means not gate. NOT gate. Seen in this logic symbol of NOR gate like this. Here it is a combination of NOR and NOT gate like this. Here it takes two or more inputs and it produces one single output. Here we taking the inputs A and B and its final produce output is y equal to A plus B bar. And this symbol, logic symbol, is simply we can taken as these types like this. Logic symbol of NOR gate like this. Here we taking the inputs A, B is the inputs. Here this is the NOT symbol. Here we taking is the NOT symbol and this is the NOR symbol. So it is a both combination of NOT and OR gates. So this is the NOR gate. Here we taking the inputs, two inputs, and it produces the output is a single output. Here the output is it is a complement of the sum of all the products or inputs, products of all inputs. Let's see in this truth table of NOR gate like this. Here the inputs is taken as A and B. Here we taking the input is 0 0. First we find out the A plus B. Here we taking the inputs as a 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1. Here we not taking the 2, but here we taking the only 1. And seeing in this we finding the A plus B also. So here next we find out the A plus B bar as the output. Here we taking the A plus B is a 0. Bar means we taking the input is a 0, output becomes 1. Here we taking the input is a 1 and it comes the output is 0 like this. So A plus B like these inputs. A plus B bar is a reverse to the A plus B. So here we find out the A plus B bar. So here A plus B is taken as a 0 and it comes the output is A plus B bar output is comes to 1. Here we taking the 0 and it comes the 1. Here it's a 1, it comes the output is 0. Here the input is a 1, it comes the 0 output. It's we taking the 1 and it comes the 0. So this is the NOR gate. Next one is NAND gate. Here we see in this NAND gate symbol like this. It is a combination of AND gate and a NOR gate. Here it's a NAND gate is taken as the inputs 2 or more inputs and it produces only one output. NAND gate means not AND. Here this NAND gate symbol is simply we taken as like this. This symbol means not and this logic symbol means AND gate. So it is a both combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So here it takes the inputs A and B and it finally produces only single output, only one output is Y equal to A into B bar, AB bar, Y equal to AB bar. In this NAND gate the output is like, it is a complement of the product of all inputs. It is a complement of product of all inputs. Coming to truth table of the NAND gate. Here we taking the inputs A and B and next we find out the AB and finally the output is the Y equal to AB bar. So here we taking the inputs like this 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So here we find out the AB means here it is a multiplication. Here we are using 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 and final output is AB bar. We find out the AB bar based on AB. Here AB is a 0, AB bar is a reverse to the AB input. So here we taking as a 0 and it comes the output is a 1. Here we taking is a 0 and here the output is comes 1 and also here we taking the input is a 0 and it comes the output is a 1. Here AB is taken as a 1 and AB is a comes 0 means here we taking the 0 and the here we taking the AB is a 0 and the AB bar is comes 1. Here AB is taken as a 1 and AB bar is comes 0. So this is the NAND gate. Next one is EXOR gate. Here EXOR gate we can also call it the EXOR gate. EXOR gate means exclusive OR gate. Here seen in this EXOR gate symbol like this, logical symbol like this. Here EXOR gate is taken 2 or more inputs and it produces only one output. Here we taking the inputs A, B and output is Y equal to A XOR B. This symbol is a EXOR symbol. Here we finding the A XOR B like this form, like this form, A B bar plus A bar B. So here we seeing is the truth table of EXOR gate is like this, and here we taking the inputs A and B and output is comes Y equal to A XOR B. So here we taking the inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. So here we find out this. Here input is taken is a 0 0 and output is comes 0. Here we taking the input is a 0 1. Here comes the output is a 1. Here we taking the input is a 1 0 and output is come 1. And here input is a 1 1 and output is a 0. How to find out this A XOR B is like this form. Here we taking the inputs A and B and here the A is a 0, B is a 1. We find out the A XOR B like this form for producing output, for finding the output. So here we taking the A is a 0, we taking as a 0, A is a 0, here B bar. So B bar means what we taking here, B is a 1. So here we taking the reverse, means here B is a 1, B bar is a 0. So here we taking the B bar is a 0. Next plus, next A bar. Here A bar is what we taken here, A is a 0. So here we taking the A bar as a 1. Here A is a 0. So we taking the A bar is a 1. So we writing the A bar is a 1. B. What is the value B? 1. So here we writing the 1. Next we solving the AND operation here. 0 into 0, 0. And here also we performing the AND operation. 1 into 1, 1. So here we performing the 0 plus 1 means here we perform the OR gate. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now we seen in this truth table, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Output comes 1. Here also output is 1. So this is the EXOR gate. Next one is EXNOR gate. EXNOR gate means exclusive NOR gate. EXNOR gate. Here seen in this EXNOR gate symbol like this. it is a XOR gate and NOT gate. It is a combination of XOR and NOT gate. Here we taking the symbol is simply we taken as like this. In this XOR gate, it takes only two. It takes two or more inputs and it produces only one output like this. Here we taking the inputs A and B and it finally produce the output like this. Y equal to A XOR B bar. Y equal to A XOR B bar. Here the output is like it is a complement of the XOR gate. Here how we find A XOR B bar? Like this form, AB plus A bar B. So coming to truth table for EXNOR gate, here inputs we taken as a 2, these are A, B. Here we taking the inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. First of all we find out the A XOR B. Next A XOR B bar is the final output. So here the first we find out the A XOR B. First we taking the inputs 0, 0, then A XOR B is comes 0 and final A XOR B comes from 1 and we taking the input is a 0, 1 and A XOR B is a 1 and final output A XOR B bar equal to 0. Here the input is a 0, 0, A XOR B is a 0, 0, 1 is the input and A XOR B is a 1. Input is a 1, 0, A XOR B is a 1. Inputs are a 1, 1, A XOR B is a 0. Then finally output we find out is a XOR B bar. 0 is output is a reverse. So here A XOR B is a 0. A XOR B bar is a reverse to the A XOR B. Means here we taking the 0 and that we taking is a bar. So here we taking the reverse to both. Here A XOR B is a 0. Then output is a 1. Here we taking the 1 and it comes a 0. Here we taking is a 1 and it comes 0. Here we taking the 0 and here the output is a 1. Means A XOR B is a 0. Then A XOR B bar is a 1. Here we taking A XOR B is a 1 and A XOR B bar is a 0. So here we find out the A XOR B bar like this formula. Here we taking A equal to 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, B equal to 0. These I will taking these two inputs. So here we find out the like this form. First of all A I will take the 1, A equal to 1. So I will put it this. Next B is a 0, 0. A bar means A equal to 1. A bar means 0. B equal to 0. B bar means 1. So here A bar is, so here A equal to 1. So A bar is a 0. So A bar is a 0. B equal to 0. So B bar is a 1. B equal to 0. So B bar we taken as a 1 like this. So here we performing the AND gate. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. And here finally we find out the OR gate. 0 plus 0, 0. So final output is 0. Means final output is 0. So this is the NOR gate.